Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Squeeze. Squeeze means firmly press something soft or yielding. For example, Kate squeezed his hand affectionately. Kate squeezed his hand affectionately. Synonyms: compress, press, crush.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Andrew felt a small hand tightly squeeze his shoulder. Now, repeat after me. Andrew felt a small hand tightly squeeze his shoulder. The second exemplar. Aiming at the man, his finger nearly squeezed the trigger. Now, repeat after me. Aiming at the man, his finger nearly squeezed the trigger. The third exemplar. He wrapped his arms around her back and squeezed her tight. Now, repeat after me. He wrapped his arms around her back and squeezed her tight.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound ee in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.